Thank you, my beauty. Eloquent. Guys, what made me think wearing a wearing a white shirt was a good idea for this? My green and red dish soap, but these were inspired. Can you see it? Let's do gold. Beautiful. It's like clear, but it's red shimmer. Can you see that? Rolling. Blue. Oh, look at this one. Whoa. Let's see. Princess. Timeout. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, Autumn. Right, Kenny. Princess. We can make a reality TV show out of our lives. You go into the confessional and someone kept unpinning me. It was so rude. Kitty. Okay. Might be epoxy time soon. Stella is 5. She just looks like a baby. She looks like a baby. Okay, okay. Oh wait, I have an excellent idea. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Your asthma. I need her to make this in like every color. Oh God. Oh, vagrants. Hey, Cooley. Britt, it's for the vagrants. I don't know if I'm doing a vagrants after this. Guess we can. Comet fingers. Oh, didn't see her sitting here. Woo! Britt, was it for a fake rinse? Fake rinse. Woo! Oh, me too. She did like a late night restock of them, of just a couple ones, and I got a pink one of it too. Oh, I've never seen someone abbreviate FR. I always thought that was for real. Thank you all. I would have dumped that all in here. All right, that is everything. That's a first. Sponge weighs like 5 pounds. Ooh, this is a 9. I really love this sponge. Yeah, I got this pink and then another pink Big Mama. She like restocked a couple during a live. Thanks, Kira. Oh my god, should we just go balls to the walls with a ton of pine glows? Played football and in college, and for whatever reason he just, you know, became friends with like all the Pacific Islanders on the team. A lot of Tongans, Samoans. Oh my god, we got invited to all the parties, like holiday parties and everything, with like 100 people. They were like some of the funnest parties I've ever been to, with like the best food. It was so fun. They like became our extended family. Oh really, Aloha? My mom was born on the, oh, I saw hair. My mom was born on the US Air Force Base, so she was born American. I know the color's slowly going bye-bye. Oh, this is nice. Pink Sponge is from Soapy Sunshine. I love this consistency. I don't know about you guys. Oh yeah, Kate. I know sometimes I wish like I was born into one of those families where someone had like 11 sisters and it was like a ton of stuff. Like I never had cousins to like be friends with, because when I was a kid, this is yummy, you guys. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Hey, oh my squeezes. Used them all. Never mind. There's no baking soda left. Honestly, that's how I started doing all my lives. And it wasn't my idea, it was the chat. Someone in chat would be like, let's only add blue products. And my first like 6 lives each ended up becoming a color. It was like really fun. Yeah, I have a lot of liquids too if anyone wants to add a liquid. More, we need to bully her more into going live. I love mixing suds, Sammy. Well, that's why I got those flashes to do a purple live, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go live again this year, so I was like, let me just put it all in the stash. But yeah, next will probably be purple, and I'll do all purple shimmery dish soaps like that. Oh, I love Sponge Junkie. I love Tanya Slay's suds. It like takes me a minute to like, I love the biggest. My mind just goes blank when I try to think about it. There's a lot of us. I love it. I think there's a couple pinkies. I love you, Scrub-a-dub. I love everyone. Truly. Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh, I love, I think she's on right now. I love ASMR. Hilda. Is Shut the Fuck on? I think she was going on today. Oh, I love V. V, you need to go live. I miss you. I was literally thinking about you today, and I was going to message you about when you're going live next, but then I saw you had an event, I think. Oh, I love Squeeze Me, Don't Tease Me. Oh, there's a sponge right here. My 2 all-time favorites though, who I would like drop anything and go watch, are probably Mixin' Suds and Sammy Paste. Oh, I love Sarah. Sarah's new. Oh, I love Clean With Me. There's too many, guys. And I like that everyone has like a time slot also. There's the morning people, the day people, the weekend people, the night people. Happy birthday. I love Brit. I do love Clean With Me's squeezes. She has really good squeezes. Okay, y'all. We have more laundry to add. Oh, Suds Princess.